Hello everyone, today I will show you the unboxing of Asia Book of Records. Okay, let's unbox this pack. Oh, it's looking too good. This amazing color. It covered with plastic cover. You can see this box, Asia Book of Records. Okay, let's open this box and I will show you what it has. Yes, you can see this. You can see this Asia Book of Records certificate of Jashrita Nilapudi. Jashrita Nilapudi, born on September 21, 2018 of Telangana, India, set a record for identifying the maximum number of pictures. She identified 520 photography by looking at the computer screen, namely 6 chess pieces, 22 shapes, 36 body parts, 11 colors, 9 fruits, 21 vegetables, 18 food items, 18 birds, 38 animals, 52 alphabetical pictures, 49 Telugu alphabets, 109 numbers, 17 vehicles and 114 random objects in 21 minutes and 37 seconds at the age of 2 years, 1 month and 20 days, as confirmed on November 10, 2020. This is the certificate of Jashrita Nilapudi. You can see. Okay, keep it here. Here you can see this. Here you can see the sticker. This is a card sticker. And here you can see this book, India Book of Records of 2020. Okay, let's open this book. And here you can see this pictures of 2020 achievers. You can see the end of this book. See, this is from Asia Book of Records. Okay, let's keep it up. You can see this pen. This is a very nice